Like if you have good communication skills, you will get more job opportunities, right?
Yes. Actually, uh, yes, everyone talks about this purpose that if you have a good communication skill, if you have good command in English, then you definitely find a good job. Uh, but it's also be correct that we got a good job or not, but we have some quality
Yeah,
according to me. So, like suppose I will go to Kolkata or any big metropolitan city, then I communicate everyone without hesitation because I have command on this language.
yeah,
But
yeah.
yes, I have command on Hindi, but this is also necessity. But upcoming 5 years, 10 years later, then we just everyone wants to talk with English language. So that's also the reason I always interestingly trying to speak with everyone.
Like with everyone, like people are like only comfortable in talking with friends, but they avoid group discussion. The group discussion
Yes.
is also very much.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Like, so what type of difficulties do you face while speaking in English?
Yeah. Sometimes I face vocab purpose, and sometimes I face grammatical position, grammatical error sometimes coming in my mouth. But when the talking is over, that time I realized that maybe I made mistake. Sometimes I also made mistake, but otherwise I just learn through my conversation purpose, and this really boosts my confidence. Actually, I have been learning, 1 year for one year. So I feel happy to talk with everyone. I feel happy to sharing my thoughts all over the world through YouTube or any other platform. So I feel happy that I have something. That's why I am trying to speak
Yeah.
in
So
front
you
of
have a
camera.
hidden talent that you are utilizing.
Yes, my friend also observe myself that you have like I have some quality in spoken purpose. I am not talking about another part, but in this purpose I have also some quality. That quality is nothing, but I am practicing. That's also the reason I am able to speak with everyone.
Which is very good. Like you are extrovert, right?
Okay, thank you.
You're extrovert.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. If some people are very introvert, it's also good. Like it depends on them. I'm not judging them. Introvert, they don't talk with anyone. They only decide. They are very choosy. But you are extrovert. You can
Yes.
talk with everyone, and that is
Yeah.
very good.
Actually, I also want to share my thought everyone because I can do then everyone can do. This is nothing a hard task, but
Yeah,
maybe some of not interestingly, spend their time.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's also the reason. But we need to practice more. Without practice, how we can grow our
Absolutely.
speaking skill?
Practice makes a man perfect,
Yeah,
right?
man. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So you said that you share your thoughts on YouTube. So are you a YouTuber?
Uh, Not too much popular, but I'm just sharing my memory on YouTube because where I may store my memory, so I can see myself in upcoming days that I am, you know, I have talked that friend, that tutor on that time, but now I am able to speak in this position. So that's also the reason I spread my videos on YouTube, Facebook. So I feel happy someone, some friends comment on my videos, some of my friends, push me, motivate me. So that's that's also the reason, man.
Okay, so what is the content of your YouTube video?
Just conversation videos.
Oh, conversation like on Clappingo? You do conversation?
just suppose we are talking to each other. That's also maybe I upload on YouTube. That types of content because it's not only for earning purpose. It's just sharing thought. It's
So that education.
motivating purpose, and they who is beginner who is saw my videos, they feel that person who can speak. Then why I can't? So it's also there. Yeah, that's also I just where I'm stuck. Just suppose I'm talking to you right now. That it's also storing in this platform, but I can see after 1 month it may be removed. In this is also correct, but I suppose I just store on YouTube or Facebook. It's in lifetime. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the memory, then you can understand how you improved yourself.
Yes, that's also the main reason I'm just spend my time in this platform and spend my time with my friends, any of the tutor. So that's also the reason, man.
Hey, it's very good. I also want to visit your channel. Can you please tell me what's your channel name?
Yeah, okay, definitely. Uh, just unique, I think, for my side. NEWTON Newton
Hmm?
Spoken World. SPOKEN Spoken WORLD Spoken World.
Wow, your channel name is so creative.
Oh, thank you, man.
Oh, it's so good. Like you, I can see you did so many conversation on English Yari tutor also.
Yes, ma'am. Just maybe two or three session.
Tanya
I
ma'am is there. Yeah.
Yes, exactly, ma'am.
Wow, it's so good. I subscribe your channel.
Thank you, ma'am. It's
Keep
that.
doing such work.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep doing such good work.
Yes, exactly, ma'am. Actually, uh, I know I feel motivation. I am doing such types of work, then I feel motivation. But where I'm living in my field, where I'm living in my village area, my friend also feel happy that you were able to speak. Uh, Most of my college friend also where you speak in English, where you are going to coaching for learning purpose. I can say nothing. I'm not going anywhere. Just I'm trying myself, and it's working nowadays. I have been learning so many things in 1 year till today. So I am learning, but it's automatically coming in my side, so I am able to speak. But I am talking slow way. That's also it's really bad. But I am not talking in fast way. But I
No,
am
no, you
talking
already
slow
have
way.
speak up that you're not making any mistake. That I just open my notebook, okay, like to rectify you where you are making mistake.
Okay.
But I can't find any mistake.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Because I am preparing on myself that where I'm making mistake, I just watching some videos on YouTube that where is grammatical is error coming in my side, where is need for grammatical content. So I am practicing on it. So that's why I am also feel happy that you didn't make any didn't find any error while talking to each other. Okay, maybe some error also there, but you can't
You're very
try to.
negligible.
Okay, yes.
Very negligible. You know, when I'm also speaking, maybe I'm also making some mistakes. But that
Okay,
is very negligible. So that also same goes for you too. That is very negligible.
but today I watch movies. Maybe you also heard like South Indian movies. I love to watch such types of movies because they are showing real fact. They are
Yeah, yeah,
talking real way of. So I feel happy, but sometimes I also you know see their talking time. They made mistakes sometimes.
yeah.
Maybe they made mistake or not, but the subtitles. when the subtitles coming. That time showing that I feel I just saw, then I feel maybe subtitles make or making mistake.
Yeah, yeah. Subtitle also helps you. If you don't understand the Britishers accent, it helps you from the subtitle.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
and
You are going in a very right path.
oh, thank you, man. Actually, I feel happy to watch that type of movie. Like South Indian, like Kerala's movie is always best. I think
Yeah.
we don't want to see any other movie. I think who is beginner, who is strongly wanted to speak very confidently in English, they must watch that types of movie, and they are they are showing their film what is happening in our day to day's life, like college scene, what has happened till today. So it's everyone need to
I
watch and
think it's
everyone
reality
understand
based.
that.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. There is not any specific song for time wasting purpose.
Yeah, yeah.
They show the what is need, at least especially for young generation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's very good. Like, I got one similarity. I also like to watch this type of movies. I don't like which is very much fake, dramatic. I also like this type of movies. So we got a similarity.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So I hope you liked my session.
Yes, why not? Why not? Because why we are
Actually,
here? I
ac-
love to trying to speak with you. That's why I also used to be here.
actually,
Why?
I think you got offended because of my low voice. I was
No, no,
worried.
no, 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 no. It's okay. It needs such types of tutor that you are listen properly. You are also listening my voice. What I am trying to speak with you, and you can understand, and you are after that you are replying my my topic purpose. That's also neat.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So it
Yeah.
was nice talking to you. I hope we would see again in future. Okay?
Absolutely. Why not, ma'am? Yeah.
Okay, okay. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye, ma'am. Bye.